Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have number of credit card, debit card or different types of card and you don't know how to carry this one every day in your wallet. Using one of the product, you can solve this problem. The product coming from Puncube brand and the product name is the Mech Wallet. Official website, I already added this link in video description. The original price of this Mech Wallet is $199. 30% off is going on, so $69. Two types of product is available. One is aluminum and second one is a titanium. Which one you like, accordingly you should decide. I personally purchase here aluminum. Previously I have already in the plain one. This time I'm purchasing something new. That's why I'm purchasing this product. We will do unboxing, how to use and how we fix the multiple card in this wallet. Let's check it out. So this is our wallet, original packaging designed by Puncube brand. First of all, I just simply open this one. Inside one strong magnet is available, so you can very easily fix in your iPhone as well. We can help. Here the email address if you are facing some problem. Now I just simply open here product. So look at this, there's a magnet, very strong. We need to fix like this. So this is our product, aluminum black color. So look at this, it's really nice. Inside the 4 screw, so you can fix this one using the screw very easily here. If you use this one in your iPhone, so screw like this, or without, you should use without as well. So I just simply fix here card. So we can fix here the one by one card, 1 and 3. Let's see. So look at this, around 6 card you can fix here. Afterward very easily open. It's really nice and impressive. Like this is much impressive. This one, previously I have the same one, but this one is a plain one, but this one something new. Like this. If you want fix this one, it's easy. We receive the 4 screw. This is our main product. We receive the 4 pieces. So this portion always come in outside. It's easy. This one is enough, and if you can put it in the magnet, so like this, it's a really hard magnet of this one, so it's not falling down. You can fix in your iPhone backside as well if you're doing traveling. So yeah, it's really impressive wallet coming from Puncube Mech Wallet. So this is the simple unboxing and review video of Mech Wallet. If you want to purchase this one, link is available on video description. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.